Welcome to our Slow English podcast.
Helping those in need. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's podcast. Our topic is helping people in need. Helping others is one of the most important values in life. Every day, there are people around us who need support. They may need food, clothes, money, or sometimes just a kind word. Helping doesn't always mean giving something big. Even small actions can make a big difference. Many people think that helping others requires a lot of money. But that is not true. You can help in many simple ways. For example, you can share your time. You can listen to someone who feels lonely. You can help an elderly neighbor carry their groceries. You can donate clothes you no longer use. These small actions can make someone feel seen, loved, and supported. Another important way to help is volunteering. Many organizations work to support poor families, homeless people, or children who need help with school. When you volunteer, you learn new things, meet new people, and make your community stronger. Volunteering also makes you feel happy because you know you are doing something good. Helping others is not only good for them, it is also good for us. Studies show that when we help someone, our brain releases chemicals that make us feel happy and calm. It also strengthens our sense of purpose in life. When you help, you realize that even small actions can change the world. But helping should always come from the heart. It is not about showing off. It is about being human and caring for others. If each one of us helps a little, together we can make a big difference. So, the next time you see someone who needs help, don't hesitate. Smile, offer support, or give what you can. Remember, kindness is powerful, and even one act of kindness can change someone's entire day. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel so we can keep making more content.